Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to be creating a look with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold eyeshadow. So to start off, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Soft Brown. The brush that I'm using to do my eyebrows is the Morphe M165. So now I'm just going to be cleaning up my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Smashbox concealer in the shade Light Medium. And the brush that I'm going to be using is the Morphe E32. So the first shade that I'll be using is the Rolling in Dough. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Cocoa Truffle. So the last shade that I'm going to be using is the Chocolate Gold. I'm just grabbing a flat brush from e.l.f. I already put some setting spray on it just to pick up some more pigment.
Record some ambience and put it in the sky.
So the eyeliner that I'm using, it's from L'Oreal and it's in the shade Carbon Black.
More some ambience to put in the sky.
So I did put my eyelashes off camera, but they're from Ardell and they're in the style Wispy. So the bronzer that I'm using, it's from the palette Girls Getaway Trio by the BAM. And the shade that I'm using is BAM Desert. The lipstick that I'm using is from Morphe in the shade Nibble. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.